On a score of 1 to 10, how smart are you?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
More sure?
Yeah, more than sure.
Hello, Rashad. My name is LSK Parusaka and I'm here with
Mr. Two Piece.
Mr. Two Piece Muliche.
Tirishe gaye mwagam.
Tishena prize. Okay, so Mr. Two Piece, ufro ufunsa nika question, so nga ufunsa ino robwani.
Mungat funza mwagam.
It's about to go down.
Okay, so Zambia na kai. On a score of 1 to 10, how smart are you?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
More sure?
Yeah, more than sure.
Okay, so question from ufunsa ngo ni ya good team.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Imagine your mom has 4 kids. Then there's Maggie, Matthews, and Mary. Yeah, so question yakuti, what's the name of the 4th kid?
Matthews your foot too, right?
Matthews? Are you sure?
More than sure.
Okay, second cast ya zile ya mwana number 4 ni ndani?
Ni Maggie wakamba.
Oh my
All right, to the viewers, what do you think the answer is? My name is LSK Parusaka, guys. I'm out.